The BC Lock Malenko for cars is a robust security device designed to enhance the protection of vehicles against theft and unauthorized access. Malenko, known for its high-quality automotive security products, the lock is constructed from durable materials, ensuring strength and longevity. It incorporates an advanced locking mechanism that provides high security, potentially using both mechanical and electronic components designed for straightforward installation, allowing car owners to secure their vehicles quickly and effectively. The BC Lock Malenko can be used on various access points of the vehicle, such as doors, steering wheels, or other critical areas susceptible to tampering, built to resist tampering and picking, providing peace of mind to vehicle owners. It may be compatible with a range of vehicle types. The Sofirn IF24 flashlight is a powerful and versatile lighting tool designed for outdoor and tactical use. The Sofirn IF24 flashlight is known for its high output. It typically features multiple brightness levels ranging from ultra-low to turbo modes. The maximum brightness can reach up to 1100 lumens or more, providing excellent illumination for various situations. It is equipped with a high-performance LED light emitting diode that offers a balanced beam profile. The beam can have a wide flood pattern for area lighting or a focused spot for long-distance visibility. The Tisbanner multi-tool wrench is a versatile hand tool engineered for maximum durability and functionality. It is crafted from high-quality materials, often featuring a titanium body, which offers an excellent strength-to-weight ratio, making it both robust and lightweight. The primary feature is an adjustable wrench that can accommodate various sizes of nuts and bolts. The adjustment mechanism is smooth and precise, allowing for easy resizing, includes both flathead and Phillips screwdrivers, often stored within the handle. A range of hex key sizes can be integrated into the design. Ideal for dealing with hex screws, a handy addition for everyday use. A small, foldable blade. The Pison All-in-One Charger is a multifunctional device that combines several charging options into a single unit. It is tailored to meet the needs of modern users who have multiple gadgets and require a reliable and versatile charging solution. The charger is built from high-quality, durable materials that ensure longevity and safe operation. It typically features a robust plastic or polycarbonate shell to protect the internal components, equipped with multiple USB ports, including USB-A and USB-C, to charge a variety of devices such as smartphones, tablets, laptops, and other USB-powered gadgets. Some models offer a wireless charging pad compatible with Qi-enabled devices. Providing a convenient cable-free charging option includes an AC outlet for charging laptops and other devices that require a standard power plug. The charger features intelligent charging technology that detects the connected device and delivers the optimal charging current, ensuring fast charging while protecting the device's battery. The All-in-One Shop-A-Cart folding shopping cart is a multifunctional, foldable shopping cart designed for easy transportation and storage. It is built to accommodate a variety of shopping scenarios, from grocery trips to transporting heavy items, providing a reliable and ergonomic solution for all users. A large, sturdy main compartment to hold groceries, laundry, or other bulky items. Some models may include a removable liner for easy cleaning, include side pockets and compartments for storing smaller items like a phone, wallet, or water bottle. Engineered to support a significant amount of weight, allowing users to carry heavy loads without difficulty. A reinforced base that provides. In the world of audio technology, a new trend is emerging that blends aesthetics with functionality in a way that's inspired by nature. The Moss Echo, a cutting-edge multifunctional speaker, epitomizes this trend. By integrating natural elements and advanced technology, the Moss Echo provides a unique auditory experience while contributing to the decor and ambience of any space. The real moss on the speaker isn't just for show. It actively absorbs toxins and pollutants from the air, improving indoor air quality. Moss has natural moisture-absorbing properties, helping to regulate the humidity levels in the room. Integrated LED lights within the speaker provide customizable ambient lighting. The lights can change color and intensity based on the music or user preferences, creating a synchronized audiovisual experience. This miniature replica of an RC radio-controlled fighter jet is an exquisite showpiece that blends intricate design with high-quality craftsmanship. Modeled after the sleek and powerful fighter jets used in modern air forces, this small-scale version captures the essence of its larger counterpart in stunning detail. The cockpit is designed with precision, showcasing detailed instrumentation, seat arrangements, and pilot controls. Some models may even feature a removable canopy, allowing enthusiasts to admire the intricate interior. While primarily a showpiece, the Rider One Secure Wallet is the pinnacle of modern wallet design, blending cutting-edge security features with sleek aesthetics and unparalleled functionality. Designed for the discerning individual who values both style and security, this wallet is an essential accessory for everyday use. Equipped with advanced RFID radio frequency identification blocking technology, the Rider One Secure Wallet protects your cards from unauthorized scans and potential identity theft. This ensures that your personal and financial information remains safe from electronic pickpockets. Whether you're looking to upgrade your wallet or searching for the perfect gift, the Rider One Secure Wallet stands out as a superior choice in both form and function. In a groundbreaking announcement, Lexstep has unveiled the Traverse Mechanical Watch, a revolutionary timepiece that redefines the standards of horological excellence. This watch seamlessly blends cutting-edge technology with timeless craftsmanship, catering to both watch aficionados and modern trends. At the heart of the Traverse is an advanced mechanical movement that showcases Lexstep's engineering prowess. The watch is powered by a high-frequency, self-winding movement with a power reserve of up to 72 hours, ensuring accuracy and reliability. One of the standout features of the Traverse is its skeleton dial, which offers a glimpse into the intricate workings of the movement. The exposed gears, springs, and escapement are meticulously finished, providing a mesmerizing view of the watch's inner mechanics. The Traverse Mechanical Watch is equipped with multiple functions, including a date display, chronograph, and a power reserve. Kurt HD Hull chocks are a type of heavy-duty Hull chocks designed to secure vehicles and trailers in place, preventing unwanted movement. They are typically used in situations where safety and stability are paramount, such as during maintenance, loading, and storage. Made from durable materials such as rubber or high-strength plastic, ensuring long-lasting performance. Designed to withstand the weight of heavy vehicles and trailers, often feature a ribbed or textured surface to provide maximum grip on both the tire and the ground. Reducing the risk of slipping prevents accidental vehicle or trailer movement. The MemoQueen Mini Sticker Printer is a compact and portable device designed for on-the-go printing of stickers, labels, and memos. Its small size and lightweight design make it ideal for personal use, as well as for small business needs. The MemoQueen Mini is small enough to fit in your pocket or bag, making it easy to carry around wherever you go. It is designed with portability in mind, perfect for use at home, in the office, or while traveling. The printer connects to your smartphone or tablet via Bluetooth, allowing you to print directly from your mobile device, compatible with both iOS and Android devices, making it versatile and convenient despite its small size. The WIM WiRobotics Intelligent Mobility by WiRobotics is a cutting-edge autonomous mobile robot designed to enhance efficiency and productivity in various industries. It combines advanced robotics technology with intelligent software to provide a versatile and reliable solution for automation needs. WIM is equipped with sophisticated sensors and algorithms that allow it to navigate complex environments autonomously. The robot leverages AI and machine learning to continuously improve its performance when can be used in a variety of settings, including warehouses, manufacturing facilities, hospitals, and retail spaces built to withstand industrial environments. WIM features a